Hello and welcome back to tazwells12. You're on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12. I am the host, who is Tara Wells. Today's video is going to be a makeup review testing tutorial video, which I know that you absolutely love these videos, which is great, and I love doing them because I love makeup and I know that you guys do too. I know that you want to see these. Before I actually get onto the product that I actually want to review or test and tutorial today, I just want to say all the nitty gritty stuff first that I have to go through at the beginning of the videos, which is if you like the product or the content or the advice I'm giving you or the tutorial, then please remember to give it a massive thumbs up, because it tells me that you like it, it tells me to bring out more, it tells me that you like the content, and we can get that thumbs up. So you can just click that thumb and I know that you like it. You can subscribe to my channel for absolutely free by clicking the subscribe button on my main page and joining the little love family and my YouTube journey as we go along. Like I said, it is literally free. You just have to sign up and then subscribe to this. So this could be your third or fourth video you're seeing from me, and you can absolutely see more from me coming into the future. When we get to it, there'll be Christmas ones, all in the new house. So loving this, absolutely loving it. So yeah, watch out for these. Comment down below, comment down on anything you like. So it could be the product, it could be the advice I'm giving you, it could be absolutely anything. So give it a comment down below and we can have a conversation, and I will 100% comment back to you. The video is not sponsored. It is not sponsored by any of the brands that I do mention. This video is an advice video for you guys, a makeup review video, a tutorial, nothing. It's nothing more than that. It's literally not sponsored by anyone. It is just out of all my own money. Check out my other social medias, which is one on Twitter and two on Instagram. The two on Instagram are tazwells12, which is my normal account, and then you've got tazwells12 home, which is new, is another account. So check both of them out. And that is everything. So we will get in now into the video, which is the makeup tutorial review testing video. The product I'm going to review today is, ta-da, this little beauty. Honestly, you'll see inside in a minute. It's amazing. I got this again, another little bargain, is out of Home Bargains. If you love W7 stuff or physics formula, and I think they do some other ones, definitely go to Home Bargains because they have some absolutely gems. They don't always have them in. There's times where I've gone and I've absolutely found nothing, but most of the time they do have W7 stuff in. I've got loads and loads of stuff from that. So yeah, just mind out. And they're literally like £1.49, no more than about a £5. They hadn't even been any more than that. Yeah, just look out for the little gems. This is the W7 GLOWCOMOTION Extreme Ice Shimmer Highlighter Eyeshadow. So this is like probably like a 2-in-1 basically. So it's a highlighter plus an eyeshadow. So it doesn't say anything on the back, not really, but there was a few to choose at the time. There was like a silvery white one, which is not my cup of tea. There wasn't any more like darker ones than that. I think there was that one, or like a different rainbow coloured one. Not into that. I've got like ones like that already, but I don't really use them. When I opened this one, I was like, yes. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. See, you can see why I've rubbed it, because I literally had to get this and rub it. That's me rubbing it on there. There's no one else touching it. But you can see in natural light, that is beautiful. We are going to put this on my face, and I'm just going to clip my hair up and we can have a look. So I might put it on both cheeks and maybe my eyes, just to see what it's like, because it is saying it's an eyeshadow. So we're going to give this a good review today. It's all clipped up, looks damn messy, but it's going to do the job, hopefully. With this product, we are going to use a Real Techniques brush. Absolutely love this brush. I can't remember where I bought this from. I think I bought this full price, this brush. Probably out of Superdrug or something like that, because I was looking for a little like highlighter sort of brush. I was using the fan ones, but I didn't really like them. I couldn't really define it on my face, but this is really, really good, so it was worth the money. So we're just gonna dippy dippy dippy, rubby rubby rub, a good amount of that. Maybe flick a little bit off. What side should we go to? This side first? Normally I put like highlighter here, so oh my god, can you see that straight away? That's beautiful. So we just do a few like flicky bits. And then I go like down here, like the rest on my brush. Oh, that's beautiful. It's actually really shimmery. I don't think it leaves a cast on my face. No, it doesn't. Oh, can you see that? It looks like it's going to leave a cast on my face, but when I come here, I can't see anything. I can just see champagne pop. Champagne pop. No, literally, that is beautiful. Look how that is shimmering. That is pretty. So we'll get some more on the other side. A good amount again. Give it a good old wibble wobble. And we will do exactly the same. It's hard to see on this side because it's not directly in the light, if that makes sense. But yeah, let's just go for it. I don't know if you can see that. You definitely see it that side. Maybe let's move the camera. Oh, you can do. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? I personally like a really nice shimmery. I'd probably put a little bit less if I was going out, because I don't like looking like a massive robot. But yeah, it's really hard to see this side, even like when my normal sort of thing. I can see it on my face, but yeah, beautiful, 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 beautiful. That is pure nice. Shall we put it on my eyes? Maybe not use this brush, because this one hasn't been used. This will come out of, yeah, this medium eyeshadow brush, but this just come out of a set. Give it a few strokes. It's on the product, on the brush. And then we just, hopefully you can see that. Oh, that's really pretty. Quite hard to see in some angles, but still really pretty. Like, that'd be really nice, like to pop your eye out, because it's like that light colour. Put some like mascara on with this. It's lovely actually, I think. You put this like a cut crease as well. Obviously I'm just putting this on a bit of a base, which is a bit of a foundation base, but still really pretty. Really nice, yeah. Like that just makes your eyes sort of pop, doesn't it? Like, because it makes it lighter, so they literally just go pop. If you put like a white eyeliner on there and maybe a normal mascara black, and then obviously you could put an eyeliner on there, or you could put a bit of brown and then put this in there, or use this cut crease and then put it on there. I think that would be really nice. I have been waiting to use this so much when I picked it up, and I thought, no, I'm gonna tutorial with you guys because this is what you want to see. And also that is blinking beautiful, and I can't put it in my makeup bag. I don't think I've got a highlighter in there. I don't think I have. So I have got a choice out of a couple actually, because I do like a lot of highlights, but this is really, really pretty. Like the packaging is just simple and very, very nice, and the actual physical highlighter is beautiful, and like you can use it for a different range of things, like just putting that on your eyelids, it just makes a big difference. So yeah, this is a beautiful product, and I'll take my hair down and we will give it a rating. Hair is down and we are going to rate this. So what do you think I'm going to rate this? I'm going to rate this a massive thumbs up. I absolutely love it. I love it for the fact it was a bargain. I love the fact it is a cheaper brand of makeup and it still does the nice glycerin look. You can use it in two ways. You could probably put a little bit more. Some people put it on the nose and the cupid's bow here, but I don't really like it. I just like putting it here. I think this is a really good product, and I think it will be one I will grab when I go out again. It's really, really good. It's a 2-in-1. Like I said, you can use it as a highlighter and you can use it as a cut crease for your shadow, or just put it on naturally like I have on my eyes. Really, really love it. So the rating of it is a massive thumbs up. Great product. Again, beautiful color, like it's sort of a pinky, like champagne-y color, if that makes sense. It is a beautiful color. Like you cannot go wrong. It's shimmery, it's shiny, it's not gritty, it's not glittery. It is literally like a proper nice highlighter. So yeah, good little product from W7, and I got it for a bargain price in Home Bargains. Unfortunately, that is everything in today's video of the makeup review testing tutorial video. I hope that you liked it. If you like the product and you've used this before, then definitely give it a thumbs up. You want to see more content, you like the video, you like the advice, you like the tutorial, then please give it a massive thumbs up, because I know then you like them and you want to see more. Please subscribe. Like I said, it's free and you can come and join the Little Love family and the YouTube journey that I'm going on at the moment. So definitely come along and join that by subscribing and joining all the other subscribers. Thank you for the subscribers that have joined. You absolutely mean the world to me. And the video is not sponsored. It is not sponsored by W7, Home Bargains, or any brands that I did mention. It is out of my own money. A nice little makeup advice video. Please check out my other social medias, the one on Twitter and 2 on Instagram. Comment down below. Let me know if you've used the product before or you love a W7 product that you might want me to use. Definitely comment down below, because I got loads of W7 stuff and I absolutely love it. That is absolutely everything. The video has been completed and done. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. Have a lovely day or a lovely evening, and I will see you soon, guys. Bye.